Hello everyone, Tim here, and welcome back to another special episode of IFS Meditations and Insights. You get two in one day. As this year wraps up, I've been sitting with gratitude, thinking about the people who've walked beside me in this work, those who've supported Faithfully Growing long before it had a name, and those who've trusted me with their own healing journey. Whether through your financial generosity or by showing up vulnerably in coaching sessions, you've helped shape what this has become. So I want to begin this episode simply. Thank you. Thank you for believing in me through shifting seasons and for investing in healing work, your own and others, before there was any structure to hold it. Your partnership laid the groundwork for everything Faithfully Growing has become. Because of you, I've been able to offer sliding scale coaching, create free meditations and teaching videos, record these weekly podcast episodes, and hold space for people who just need a place to breathe and come home to themselves. Just a few weeks ago, someone left a comment on a YouTube meditation video. They wrote that they'd stumbled across it one morning when their system felt overwhelmed, and they didn't know how to take the next step. They were carrying long-standing trauma and felt hesitant to go inward alone. But this brief practice broke through the fog, just enough for them to breathe, notice the hurting parts, and feel a moment of steadiness. This was fitting and soothing, they wrote. Your approach helped me feel less alone. They didn't join anything. They didn't pay for anything. They just found a little light when they needed it most. That's what this work makes possible. And you've been part of creating moments like that. Here's where things stand today. About 75% of Faithfully Growing's modest budget comes from clients at my full rate, 5% from those at a reduced fee, and the remaining 20% from donations that make sliding scale coaching possible and keep resources freely available. Your gift, no matter the size, directly supports people who might not otherwise have access to this care. Let me share a picture of what your generosity has made possible this year. Your gifts open the door for sliding scale coaching. People facing financial hardship who needed compassionate, trauma-informed IFS support, but simply couldn't access it otherwise. Some were between jobs, some were navigating major transitions, some were carrying trauma without support. Your generosity opened that door and made space for healing that might not have happened otherwise. Your support keeps weekly YouTube teachings, guided meditations, and this podcast freely available to anyone seeking clarity, grounding, or a moment to reconnect with themselves. Literally around the world, people in places where therapy or parts work is scarce found these teachings because they were open and free. Your generosity reached across borders, time zones, meeting people right where they were. You helped create a steady, welcoming space where protectors could soften, exiles could be seen, and people could take their next honest step toward healing, slowly, safely, in their own time. And that's no small thing. I want to share a poem that emerged from this reflection called The Gift. You gave before there was a door to open, before there was a name for what might grow. You believed in soil still being turned, in seeds not yet visible, beneath the snow. And now, look what has taken root. A person finding breath when panic rose. A part that finally felt permission to rest. A moment of steadiness nobody else knows. Your hands are in this work, quiet and uncounted, making room for strangers to come home to the parts of themselves they thought were gone. This is the gift you gave, not just to me, but through me. Light reaching someone in the dark who needed more than anything to know they weren't alone. If you'd like to give this year, you can do that at exploreifs.com/give. There's no pressure. Let your wisdom guide you. Just know that your partnership has already meant more than you may realize. And if you've been considering joining the Faithfully Growing community, doors close on Friday, and I won't reopen them until later next year. And membership starts at $9 a month, and you can cancel anytime. And if you've already donated at least $108 this year and would like to join, just email me at tim@faithfullygrowing.com and I'll get you logged in. You can explore free meditations, podcast episodes, teaching videos, and IFS reflections anytime at exploreifs.com. Thank you for believing in the possibility of healing. Thank you for being part of this story. You're not alone. You're beloved, and you're enough. I'll see you in the new year.